We are going to review how to download images and place them into your file. So the first thing that you want to do is go to an icon finder site. So I really like this free icons.io site. They advertise themselves as having the largest database of free icons, and I do think that that's true. So say for example here, I want to search Instagram. There's so many different varieties of styles that I can choose from. And again, any of these colors can be changed in the program. So if I want this one here, the file format that you want to use is SVG. That will allow us to have hover effects and always have a really nice sharp image, whereas a PNG is pixels. So I'm going to click this download SVG. Now my image has downloaded. The next thing that you want to do is navigate to wherever your folder is that you are putting this, your repository that you are putting this in. And you can see at this top level we have the index.html, main.css, all that stuff. I'm going to right click and make a new folder. So I like to make another folder called assets and then keep all of my assets in there. So then from my downloads, I can get that Instagram logo and drop it right in there. You also really want to pay attention to the names of things, because when I go to place this is going to be very unclear as to what it is. So if I right click on here and do rename, I can call this one Instagram. Sorry for the typos. And it is in there. So you can do this 3 times and find the other logos that you want as well. I would say to try to match the style, so try to find ones that are going to look really nice together. The next thing that you want to do is launch VSCode. So the easiest way to do that is to take your entire repository and drag and drop it onto the VSCode application. So now my file is open. If I hit live server here, I can see a preview of what is going to actually render on screen. So the next thing that I want to do is add in an image. So what I can do, the way that you add in an image is with an image tag. So I'm going to come down and do img, and then I'm going to do src. So that stands for source, so you're setting the source of where the image is. That is put in a string. So I'm going to do an equal signs and then a quote. And then VS Code is very smart. It wants to help me navigate to the right folder. So again, because I have everything kind of organized in that assets folder, I can click right here for assets and then find my Instagram.svg. That quote, you can see there's an opening quote here, a closing quote here. So that is working well. I can put that, close off that image. There's one other thing you always want to set for an image, and that's an alt tag. So I can do alt, and then I can type in here Instagram logo. What an alt tag is it sets an alternative viewing experience for people that are maybe using a screen reader or have visual impairments, that instead of that image being shown to them, that alt tag will be read to them. So now let's head back over to our live server. and see that image being placed in there. It's okay for now. Chances are what it's going to do is just wrap itself all the way to the edge and take up the full availability of the screen size. That's okay for now. Next class we will go over how to style these icons and how to move them. But for now, what you want to do is just get all of your social media icons that you're going to be using for your business card into here.